Is that the...
Troy-Bilt TB230 lawnmower?
You bet, mister. No shit. Fuck yeah, dude. Alright guys, and welcome to my Troy-Bilt TB230 21-inch cutting width, rear bag, mulch side discharge, front wheel drive, two-year limited warranty, Briggs & Stratton 725 EX190cc lawnmower. Let's take a look at it. So I just picked this up. As you can see, it's got 18s in the back and 2s in the front. Brand new alloy wheels. Pretty sick. Low profile tires. This thing cuts grass like a fucking so you don't even have to worry about that. As you can see, my header back exhaust, I just got that. It's aftermarket. Sounds pretty fucking mean. Adjustable ride height coilovers, obviously for those gnarly track days. I take this thing drifting every once in a while, so it's got plenty of power to do all the rips you've ever wanted to do. And it fucking turns heads too, so you don't have to worry about girls. This thing's a fucking girl magnet. Alright, now that we've gone over all the specs, let's show you how this thing gets down. I want to thank you guys for checking out our review. If you want any more dope ass creamy reviews, go ahead and hit that like button, that subscribe button. Go ahead and email us if you have any questions or inquiries that you may need the answers to. And see you guys later.
That's a sick fucking lawnmower.